Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to search on TikTok. It's a straightforward process, so make sure you watch till the end and follow along with the steps I'll be sharing. First, you'll need to log into your TikTok app. Once logged in, locate the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. It's usually a magnifying glass symbol. Click on it and you'll see a search bar appear. In the search bar, type in what you want to search for. For example, let's say you want to search for sports. Type it and hit enter or click on search. You'll then see the top search results related to sport. You can explore different categories by clicking on videos to see videos related to your search. Use to find TikTok users associated with the search. Sounds to discover sounds related to your search. That's all it takes to search on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Let me know in the comments if this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching and until next time, bye for now.